to ask you one question. Yeah, I do. You asked me, you said that normally when I'm going through this, if I don't understand it fully, and if I understand briefly, should I just carry on or should I just get clarification or should I read about it later? Because some of the things I
No, you must ask question because we always say ask question and do not suffer in silence.
yes. So like
Whenever you have
leverage,
doubt, you must ask questions.
yeah. So I understand everything, but I know leverage is leverage. I know what leverage, the basics of what leverage does is 100 to and how that uh, uh, and how it does. And should I go in depth into understand the calculation of leverage and all
No,
that?
no, that is not required. In when time comes, we will tell you the calculation.
All right. Okay.
We'll
Okay.
tell you the calculation. Also, if you go to NP Financials at this one here on the home page,
Yes.
and if you scroll down and go to read more at the bottom of the screen, bottom of the page, read more.
Mm-hmm.
So
Oh, yeah.
you'll probably have leverage account. What is leverage in trading and what is leverage trading here?
Yes. 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 Okay.
Leverage
So
trading, what does it mean? You can read here.
okay. So I think I should read a little bit more of the
Yeah,
web of the.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, exactly correct. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Currency nomenclature. So now we are starting module 1, unit 2. This module 1 of basics trading is having 3 units. So first one we completed Forex market facts, figures and frameworks. Now we are going into foreign exchange basics. So we'll start with nomenclature. The first two letters represents the name of the country. The third letter represents the name of the currency. So AUD, first two letters is AU, stands for
Australia.
Australia, D for dollar. Similarly,
Mm.
GBP, GB stands for Great Britain, P stands for pound. JPY, JP stands for Japan, and Y stands for yen. So Japanese yen.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
EU stands for Espiozione Universal, R for Roma, the business district of Euro during 1950. Do you know this Espiozione Universal?
No. No. I never. I never knew that. Good to know that. Yeah.
No one knows
Wow.
this. Eh?
Yeah.
In
Universal.
CHF, CH stands for Confederation Helvetica, the Latin name of the country, and F represents franc. CHF is commonly known as Swiss franc. So, do you know Confederation Helvetica?
No. 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 I don't. Yeah. Wow. I didn't even know that the currency of euro is called Roma.
Universal, Espiozione Universal Roma.
Yeah. It's Roma. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that
So
what they
if
call
I
it?
if I ask you NZD, what would be?
New Zealand and the dollar is the
Yeah, SGD.
SGD Singapore and dollar.
Yeah, DKK.
DKK is something DKK. Wow.
Mm.
This is DK is it can be can't be
Yeah,
Denmark.
yeah, yeah, yeah. You're right. Yeah, yeah. Then and then after what? Then after
Denmark they have their currencies or the K. What's their currency?
Denmark krona.
Krona.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. Thank
and
you so
and
much. That's so
CAD,
yes, is
CAD.
Canadian dollar.
Yeah, that's it. So now you understand?
Yes, yes. I'm yeah, no, no, it does it's good to know. It's good to
Yeah,
make sense of the
yeah.
abbreviation. Yes.
Like ACK, Sweden krona.
Oh wow.
NOK, Norwegian krona.
Oh, oh.
So these are the three Scandinavian currencies: NOK, DKK, ACK. We used to call Nokiseki Deki.
Oh, Noki Seki Deki.
Norway, Sweden, and Denmark krona.
Yeah. It's good
Okay,
to yeah, 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 good. Yes.
absolutely, 100% good.
I like it.
Yeah. Now we'll go to after currency nomenclature. We'll go to base and term currency. The first three letters represents every currency is represented by 6 letters. The first three letters represents the base currency. I'll tell you what is base currency. I'll tell you what is the function of the base currency. And the last 3 letters are known as term currency. I'll tell you what is term currency and what is the function of the term currency.
Okay.
But first thing first, you need to know in euro, sterling, Aussie, Kiwi, US dollar is the term currency.
Is the term currency. Okay.
In CAD, Swiss franc, Japanese yen, and Singapore dollar, US dollar is the base currency.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I always wondered why, which ones are first and which one is it because it's higher or lower? Oh, yeah, I always
No,
wondered.
this is the, we'll tell you this is as per the ISO International Standard Organization, but you need to remember this Euro USD GBP. It is never USD Euro. It is always Euro USD.
Oh, okay. So it's always like that.
Yeah. So if
Ah,
I ask you for Euro Aussie, what is base and what is term? What did you say?
Euro, Aussie. Or Euro is the base and the Aussie is the term.
And for GBP CHF,
Pound is the base and the CHF is the term. The franc is
you
the term.
you got 100 out of 100.
Because of your good teacher. Yes. Yeah.
Now, the first function, write it down. The first function of the base currency is to draw the chart. The
Oh, okay.
first function of the base currency is to draw the chart.
Is to
Alright.
draw the chart. Okay.
So if you see a chart and if you see this AUD USD, this chart is for AUD against in USD.
If I see this
If you
chart,
see this is AUD USD,
yes,
that means the chart is for Australian dollar against United States dollar.
yes.
Make sense?
Yes, makes sense. Sorry, I was just writing down. I was writing down.
That's fine.
Yeah. First and second, and then I just put a. I just put a. Um.
Have you
Okay.
written it down?
Yes. So euro would be the if between euro USD, euro will be the base and USD will be the term.
Yeah,
The,
exactly correct.
because I just want to put an example in there, so
Yeah, absolutely.
triggers my
And if
memory.
you see the chart is going from left to right, it is up. That means Australian dollar is going up against the United States dollar.
Oh, okay. So that means Australian dollar is going up against the.
United States dollar.
Okay.
So the first function of the base currency is to plot the chart.
Oh, to plot the chart.
Yeah.
So if the, oh, okay. So if the base currency, so if tell me if I'm understanding this correct. So if the base currency
Mhm.
is if you're putting if you've got the base currency with the line going in an uptrend,
Mhm.
that means it's gaining on the term currency.
Yeah, it is appreciating against the term currency.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Make
So the base.
sense?
Yes. Now I mean, now it's really good because I'm understanding it. Now I'm understanding
Very
um
good.
who's
Excellent.
winning
Fantastic.
who's winning in the trend.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. So the term currency, write it down. The term currency is also known as quote currency or counter currency, and its main function is to calculate the profit and loss in the term currency.
Hold on.
So
Means
the first the function of the term currency, which is also known as quote or counter currency,
term currency is denoted as the quote
quote
or
and counter currency, and its function is to calculate the profit and loss in the term currency.
so that's just the explanation of what currency
Yeah,
is.
a
Yeah.
term currency. What is term currency? Term.
Oh, term currency. Oh, term.
And our broker will actually convert that profit and loss into our account currency. In Australia, account currency will be AUD. In New Zealand, in your case, it will be NZD.
Okay, so the currency is denoted as quote or counter currency. So that's when you fund an account, isn't correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah.
Even in demo account, that's also part.
Oh, yeah. So as soon as you put it in, it'll tell you what currency
Yeah.
your funds are in.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's
So
what it
this
means.
way, currency pairs are generally represented by concatenating. That means joining the ISO, International Standard Organization, currency code ISO 4217. That's what I told you. The two currencies in the currency pair is generally separated by slash. At times, the slash may not be used, but they mean the same. So AUD slash USD or AUD USD are the same.
Okay.
Now, it is important to understand the forex trade involves simultaneous buying of one currency and selling of another in case you go long, and simultaneous selling of one currency and buying of another in case you go to select short.
Yes.
Second function, write it down. Second function of base currency is to denote how much of the term or quote currency is needed to purchase 1 unit of the base currency.
Eesh, that's a little bit confusing, that one. So the
So,
base currency.
base currency. So what does it mean? It means that base currency is always 1.
Yes.
So for that 1 unit, how much term currency is required?
Okay. Okay. Because, okay. All right.
For
So,
example, if I go to Euro USD in front of you,
okay.
and what is the reading here?
1.1503.
03.
Yeah.
So it means, and what is the currency here?
It is Euro USD. So
So what is
Euro,
the base?
Euro is the base and the
And
USD is the term. So
yeah,
one,
so, yeah,
one,
one
yeah.
euro.
One euro is equals to 1.1503 USD.
Correct. So $1.15 USD. So
Oh,
one
okay.
euro is equal to $1.15 United States.
Right, I got it.
Got it?
Yes, I got it. I
Very
got it.
simple.
It's just that the wording of that wording, I understand it now, but it's the wording that's little
So
very.
now if it is Australia dollar is quoting at 65, so what does it mean?
It means that one Australian dollars buys you 65.02 cents US
Yeah,
dollar.
exactly correct. You got 100 out of 100.
Yes.
So because, write it down, there are 3 commodity producing countries: Australia, Canada, and New Zealand.
3
Commodity producing countries.
commodity.
Mainly.
Good.
Russia is there, China is there, but we don't, they are reserve currency. We don't trade China, Chinese yuan, we don't trade.
So the mainly is
Australia, Canada, and New Zealand. They are
Australia,
floated currencies.
Canada, Australia, Canada, and
New
New Zealand.
Zealand.
Wow, NZD. 3 commodity producing
Producing country. So if you see Australia dollar in blue and red in this case, and United States dollar with Canadian dollar in white and black. So this is plotted for AUD and this is plotted for USD, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
That is why if you see, if the Australian US dollar is going up against the Canadian dollar, then the Australian dollar is going down against the United States dollar, because United States dollar is appreciating. That is why Australian dollar is depreciating.
Oh.
So this is known as currency correlation. How to do it? You can do it like this is Australian dollar in front of you.
Yes.
Write it down. Right click on the chart and more and make it compare to instrument. So right click, more, and compare to instrument.
And compare.
To instrument.
Okay. Yep.
Okay. So when you do that, it will ask you which instrument to compare. You write it down here, USD CAD. That means Canadian dollar, United States dollar with Canadian dollar.
USD CAD.
And
Okay.
then change it to, for example, this bar chart, and change the color maybe to black if it is going down, and if it is going up, maybe like this,
Green.
green.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
So you can see then when the United States dollar is going down against the Canadian dollar, Australian dollar is going up against the United States dollar.
Okay, so this is called
Correlation, currency correlation.
currency correlation. So,
Yeah.
oh, okay. Okay, so I wonder what the Australian dollar is doing against the Canadian dollar when that is happening.
Yeah, that will be if you go here and right click and then move to settings and then remove this one. And then you go here and then AUD Australian dollar Canadian dollar, which we don't trade, but just to answer your question,
Yeah.
it will be a little bit coming down.
Yes. Okay.
So this is known as currency correlation, and the chart which we'll be using is itfinance.com real time. Our support team will send you a link. You need to open an account with them, and this account you can open with a live account with $0. But this charting software will charge you $40 per month. But if you place 4 trades, $1 trade, they will waive that $40. Okay. So
Okay.
in that 4 or 10 trades, you will lose $10, but you will save $30. Make sense?
Yes, it makes sense. So, do I need to open that now?
We after getting the email from support team, you have to open that, clicking on that link.
And it's called real time.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 Any question?
Yeah, I want to. I know you explained to me this correlation, but I want to read a little bit more about it. A bit
Yeah,
more. I want
absolutely.
to sink it
Yeah.
in because I know it's you. I know after you speak to me, I go and have dinner. Then I'm like, hey, he said this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can do the correlation in another one, which is write it down, Metaapp.
What's it called?
Metaapp.net.
Metaf.net. Okay.
No, I don't think this is the one. Sorry. Metaf, MATF, maybe currency correlation. Yeah, this one. So Metaf, MATAF.net.
Yes.
And if you go to Forex and tools and correlation, they will show the correlation in a tabular format. So in a
Oh.
table.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah.
So if you see Australia euro is related to New Zealand 86%. That means if euro goes up, New Zealand will also go as 80% of the time.
Ah,
And if you see euro is correlated to Aussie yen only 11%
minus
and GBP CAD 10%. Minus means opposite. That
the
means
cat
if,
is
if
cat is
euro is going up, if euro is going up, there is 93% chance that USD CHF will go down.
ah.
Plus means positive correlation, minus means negative correlation. But
Okay.
best thing is to do in a chart like this I
Yes,
showed you.
yes, 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 yes. And that's to go to right click and to go more and compare to instrument and which
Right.
instrument, and then you fill in the
Exactly.
instrument. Yep, yep.
Exactly. Now,
Okay.
sometimes broker will actually show you this is known as order ticket. Order ticket. Order ticket may show you that Euro USD is trading at 131.25 on the bid side. That means the sell. And on the ask side, 31.25 too is the ask. So write it down. Bid is equal to sell. Ask is equal to buy.
Oh, okay. Yes, yes. Okay. Bid equals to sell.
Bid is equal to sell.
Ask equals to buy.
So if you see bid here, you'll see sell, and bid and sell are the same.
I thought bid was to buy.
No, bid is sell.
Okay, so bid is sell. Oh, it says sell
Foreign
here.
exchange, it is sell.
Okay.
And
Yes.
ask is buy, which is also known as offer.
Yes.
So you can say bid and ask, or sell and buy, or bid and offer. You cannot say ask and offer because they are the same.
Yes.
And can you have any idea what is 1 and what is 5.6?
Oh, what an entry.
So
Maybe it's spread.
hmm,
I don't know.
volume. So
Volume.
1,000 orders are there for selling, and 5,600 orders are there to buying at this price.
Oh, so there's a limit on orders.
No, there is no limit. You can see any number. This is just an example.
Oh, okay. 5.6. That's so that is
5,600 orders are there to buy and 1000 orders are there to sell. That means this is a possible that it will go up.
Oh, okay. It's possible that it'll go up because
The more
it's more.
5600 is more than 1000.
Oh, okay. Oh, so it's sorry. It's just it's telling you what's what's currently happening.
Yeah. So
Ah, okay.
base currency is always stands for 1 unit, as I told you.
Yes.
Any question?
Base currency always stands for 1 unit. I think so far I'm good. I think so.
Now, trading, forex trading, a little bit of jargons: spread, slippage, swaps, pips, and lots.
Yes.
So spread is the difference between bid and ask.
The
So
spread.
if the bid is 65.30 and ask is 65.32, then the spread is 2.0002.
If the bid is 65 and then 65.30, what did you say?
So here what you can do, you can right click here and then add indicator after getting the axis, and then see all indicators and you write bid and ask, or you can write just bid. You will see bid ask band. If you click on bid and ask band, it will show you what is the bid price and ask price. See, the bid is 8889 and the ask is 8890. So the
Oh,
difference between 90 and 89 is one
one.
pip. One pip.
Okay,
Okay.
yes. One pup.
Pip. PIP.
Yes.
I'll explain
Sometimes
here. Pip. Pip is the percentage in points, smallest price change in exchange rate.
so spreads,
Spread
spillage.
is the difference between bid and ask.
Yes, okay, right. I got that. And then
And the
spillage.
slippage. Slippage is difference between placed and field price. Supposing you want to buy.
Oh, yes.
Supposing you want to buy at 88.88. Okay.
Yes.
But the broker is filled you at 89.00.
Oh, that's slippage.
That is slippage of 12 pips. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Make sense?
Yes, it makes sense. So
Any
that's
question?
if we go back to our screen again, what was that one? Slippage, swaps. Oops, I know
Swap.
what. So,
Swap is the interest rate differential between two countries involved in the currency pair. I told you in module 1, unit 1, that I'll explain swap.
Alert triggered.
Now this is swap. Interest rate differential between two countries involved in the currency pair.
yes. Between the two countries involved in the currency pairs. Yes. Swaps, okay.
Okay.
Interest differential between the two countries involved in the currency pair. Swaps.
Swap. And how is it calculated?
I don't know.
Okay. Don't worry. I'll tell you.
Swaps, interest rate differential.
Supposing this Australian dollar is having interest rate of 4.25, okay? And the United States is having 5.5. What is the difference? 1.25.
Yes.
Supposing you are trading $10,000 and you are going short, that means selling,
Yes.
and you are holding the trade for 10 days. So the swaps will be calculate difference multiplied by your account size, that means the leverage amount, divided by 365 days in a year, multiplied by 10. So this is what is swap.
Oh, so is that how it's calculated? So
Yes, you don't have to bother because the broker will do it for you.
oh yes, oh thank goodness. Wow, so much. I was getting worried there with the
Yeah.
numbers.
If you are long on a currency pair which is more than the other one, for example,
Yes.
AUD JPY, if you are buying AUD, then you will get this much of or more swap. But if you are selling Australian dollar against United States dollar, you have to pay this much to the broker.
Oh,
So that will all happen automatically. You don't have to bother.
okay.
Only you need to know this is happening.
Oh yeah, okay, right, okay. Phew, I
P.
thought I
PIP is percentage in points, smallest price change in an exchange rate. So write it down. For United States dollar, it is 0.0001.
Yes,
So,
okay, I know what that's. I saw the pups. It's very
pip.
yeah, it's very confusing on the when I look at gold. It's
No,
the,
no, for concentrate on Forex.
oh yeah.
So for United States dollar, the pip is 0.0001. For JPY, Japanese yen, the pip is
Yes.
0.01.
Oh, okay. So the Japanese yen, the pup
Two
is after
decimal
the point.
place. So for Japanese yen, you have to go two decimal place. For United States, you have to go four decimal place.
Uh,
Okay.
so 0.0.
0.0001.
That's one. Okay, and then the Japanese yen is zero
Zero
point
point zero 0.01.
zero one. Okay,
Okay.
good. This is called the pup. Yeah, this is yeah.
Pip.
Okay, right.
PIP. Pip.
Yes, 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 yes. I think
Lot.
yeah.
Lot also known as trade size or position size or amount or size or volume or quantity. So lot is having many names.
Mhm.
So basically there are three types: micro lot, mini lot, standard lot. Micro lot is $10 a pip. Sorry, 10 cents a pip. Mini lot is $1 a pip. Standard lot is $10 a pip. So what does it mean? It means that if you buy Aussie dollar, if you are buying Aussie dollar at around this point, which is 61.70, if you are buying from here and you are holding on to the trade, so that is 333 pips in front of you, correct?
333 pups.
Pips.
I think you've got it somewhere on there already. Eh? Yeah, 333 pups.
Yeah. So if you are investing mini lot, that means you are investing $1 a point, you will get in this trade
300,
$332.
300 sorry, you said if you're investing at $1 a pup. Sorry.
$1 per point.
Yes.
That means you will get $333 from this trade.
Yes.
If you
Yes.
are investing $10, you will get $3,333.
Yes.
If you are investing 10 cents, then you will get only $33.
Yes.
So we recommend to trade mini lot if you are having $1,000 in your account. If you having $10,000, then my mini lot. And then if you have $100,000 in your account, then standard lot.
So if you got a micro, so if you got
If you
$1,000 in
get
your
$1,000, you trade micro lot.
yeah micro, and mini is for 10,000.
Yeah. And standard is for 100,000.
Oh, okay. Or anything more.
Yeah.
There's nothing higher than a standard. Huh?
Alert triggered.
So we completed module 1, unit 2. Do you have any question?
So so basically this units these basics of trading is only helping me understand the terminology used, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So in basics of trading in module 2, module 1, unit 2, you need to practice a lot on currency nomenclature, on base currency, on term currency, on the function of the base currency, on the function of the term currency,
Yes.
and the currency correlation and the order ticket and the volume part of it a little bit, and then
Yes.
obviously the jargons.
Yes.
You do this and practice and study, and then I'll talk to you in your next class. Okay.
Right. Right. 100%.
All right. Take care. Bye for now.
Thank you, Pata.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.